It sat here for years, abandoned, forgotten, slowly consumed by salt, wind, and time. What was once a symbol of luxury, reduced to rust and silence. The ocean left its mark on every surface, metal corroded, paint faded, and textures slowly erased by the elements. And yet, even in this condition, it still carries presence. But beneath the corrosion, something remained, a story worth bringing back to life. A machine that once represented perfection, waiting for a second chance. If you enjoy transformations like this, consider subscribing to the channel to follow every step of the journey. As we approach the car, every detail reveals the damage. Cracked leather, brittle surfaces, rusted metal, and an interior filled with sand and decay. The air itself feels heavy, as if time has been trapped inside. At first glance, it seems beyond saving, but not impossible. The decision is made. This Rolls-Royce will be restored. Carefully, the car is pulled from the beach, its tires resisting the weight of years of neglect. The movement is slow, deliberate, almost symbolic. Every inch forward marks the beginning of a transformation. Inside the workshop, everything changes. Controlled light, precise tools, and a quiet focus take over. The process begins with a deep clean. High-pressure water strips away layers of dirt and salt, revealing the true condition hidden underneath. With every pass, the past begins to fade. Then comes the hardest part, removing the rust. Sanding, slowly and methodically, each movement restoring what was once lost. Dust rises into the light, and beneath it, raw metal returns. Where the damage runs deeper, welding becomes essential. Sparks cut through the air, brief flashes of light rebuilding structure and strength. Piece by piece, the foundation is restored. Then, the heart of the car, the engine. Carefully dismantled piece by piece, each component inspected, cleaned, repaired, or replaced. Nothing is rushed. Precision and patience bring it back together, exactly as it should be. Inside, the transformation continues. The interior is completely stripped, damaged seats removed, worn materials discarded. What remains is a bare shell, silent, empty, ready for renewal. New materials are installed with care, soft leather shaped perfectly, refined finishes placed with precision, every detail aligned with intention. The space is reborn, restoring comfort and elegance. If you'd like to see the final reveal and more restorations like this, don't forget to subscribe. Finally, everything comes together. Polished surfaces, perfect lines, and a flawless finish. Reflections return, clarity replaces decay. The car no longer carries the weight of the past. It moves forward, renewed. And here it stands, fully restored. From abandonment to perfection, a Rolls-Royce brought back to life.